Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Maybe should have given him a like. We're about to get a good demo. All right, man.
Yes, sir.
What size?
Sir?
What size port is this?
8 inch.
8 inch.
By 10 inches.
Okay, so 10 inches deep?
Yep.
Do you know your tuning on it?
Roughly 32, 34.
Okay. You know your size of your space on it? The cubic space?
About 4.3.
All right.
After displacement and bracing.
Bracing. Okay. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. You got a sub as a baby in the seat.
That's my teammates, actually.
Oh, okay.
And he's got to rewire his stuff real quick.
Did this help at all? Just adding a piece of wood there?
It mainly keeps this up, but that was added this morning. It kind of helps it a lot.
Okay. So what's your name and what's in here real quick, just so I know all the equipment?
My name's Phil Decker out of Jacksonville, Florida. I got 2 SCART EVLs down to 1 on a FSP 5K on a 72 amp hour headway bank.
All right. Very nice. You do any SPL test on it yet?
Last time I knew, it did a 143.6.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's a pretty, is this a daily driver?
Actually, yeah.
Okay.
It's got DS18 mids.
Okay.
On a depth balance 200.4 at 4 channel.
All right.
And the Renegade is on PRV 350 Ti's at 8 ohm, wired down to 4 ohm channel.
Okay. On that amp back. Okay, got it. Very nice. Awesome. Appreciate it, Phil Decker on Team Dead Beats.
Team Dead Beats.
Team Dead Beats. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
It's gonna be a sheet creamer. It's DJ Rusticles. Having my way with the money, yeah, that shit keep coming and coming. Been through the state, I get right on the red, I keep going and coming. I did a show called The Case of the Road, I ain't running from nothing. Don't know my side, I got nothing to hide, no, I'm running from nothing. You got me, woke me up, took me in, set me down, broke me down, said make me proud, I came up, I was up out the mud, can't trust nobody, so when God I trust, I'm a grinder. You got the number one song on the radio, and you still gotta sit in jail. I wanna leave, I'm in the top wet bottle. I'ma sleep all day and be a blade. I had to make the best of what I had. I'm in the trust spot with the pain, sucking the pain, bitch with the brain. Double the 10, skip the brain. Stand on the 10 in the game. Just ain't went all in, and I'm counting the work, and I'm making my business, making my gun, I'm gonna deliver. Back in my having a car in the city. Under the T, she be showing the titties. That was the time when I named your bitch. Hard to be fly with your body is empty. Then you pull up, we gon' drop in the city. I'ma walk out and go hard in this city. According to your ass, give according to your fitness. Still out of pocket, we get with it quickly. Loving the snake, turn around and it bit me. Right in the kidney. Having my way with the money, yeah, that shit keep coming and coming. Been through the stack, I get right on the rack, I keep going and coming. I did a show called The Case of the Road, I ain't running from nothing. God on was hot, I got nothing to hide, no, I'm running from nothing. God got me, hold me up to me. Set me down, broke me down, said make me proud, make me proud. I came up, I rose up out the mud. Can't trust nobody, someone God I trust.
Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
Nice to meet you, man. Thank you for the demo.
Yes, sir.
That's a pretty, is this a daily driver?
Actually, yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
What was your name?
Phil Decker.
Awesome. Appreciate it, Phil Decker on Team Dead Beats.
Team Dead Beats.
Team Dead Beats. All right.
Thank you, sir.